This is my new to me wheel horse. It is a late 60s Raider 10, probably like a 68 or 69. But this one came with a plow. So it's got kind of homemade brackets. Should do the job though. The seller told me it has a weak starter. He said it needed to be rebuilt. And the carburetor probably needs to be cleaned. It only runs on half choke. But it does run as the high-low range transfer case. Seat on it's pretty good. And it came with tire chains, which is nice. Don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it yet. It's missing some parts. If I ever wanted to put a mower deck on it, I would need to find a bunch of parts for it, so a little bit limited on what I can do with it, but it's got plenty of parts to either swap to the other tractor, or maybe this one we keep running too. So I just went ahead and flipped around this handle, or this lever to adjust the blade. This notch was on the other side. This was all flipped around, so I just hit that with a torch, came right out, and then had to swap this eyelet as well as swap the side that the handle was on. I think next I'm going to dig into this carburetor here. It only wants to run on like half choke. Probably just needs to be cleaned up. Carburetor has been cleaned up. It's back on there now. All the cables are hooked up. Choke and throttle. So now really all this thing needs is a starter. Alright, well, we're getting some snow. As you can see, it's coming under the door. I've decided to swap this starter that I know is good into this machine, and the reason for that is it's already got the plow, so in case I gotta clear some snow tomorrow, I'm all set. So I'll take that old one out, put this one in, and we should be in business. Alright, little update on this wheel horse. I got the starter off the other machine in there. I put the battery from the other machine, cleaned up all the wires, all the connections. Everything is tight. Everything has been wire brushed. The fuel line started leaking, so I cut off about 1/4 inch up at the tank, and with the fresh part of the hose, you can see we have no leaks today. Carburetor has been rebuilt. So let's pull this thing outside and see how it fires up. Boy, Mozzie, you like the new tractor? Good boy. This is Mozzie. He's a 3-year-old golden retriever mix. He's a good boy. No joke. Well, that's too bad. It looks like fixing the carburetor did not solve the issue with not idling and not running without choke. But overall, I mean, you can't beat that.